Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here with another video. Today is Wing Wednesday. So today what we're going to be doing is using our buffalo wing sauce, which is our one-legged chicken, a bit of butter, wings, and SPF 53. Now what we want to do is we want to actually deep fry these, put them all together and toss them through the sauce. We're using a combination of plain flour, potato starch, and a few other ingredients that I'll explain in the video. Stay tuned, this one is really, really good. Love it. So what we have here is 1 kilo of chicken wings, half a cup of potato starch, 2 tablespoons of SPF 53, one-legged chicken sauce, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1.5 cups of white flour, and 1 cup of water. And don't forget the Yeti. Now with your potato starch, add this to your 1 kilogram of chicken wings and just thoroughly mix until all wings are coated. Just like this. Now with your flour mixture, add in your baking powder, and what we want to do is give this a thorough mix with your one-legged chicken. Now I'm adding a little bit at a time, as we're going to add a little bit more later on, so roughly about 2 tablespoons. Then give this a mix. Now have an additional cup of flour just on hand and take your SPF 53 and just sprinkle this through the mixture. Now what this is for the dredge. So what we're going to do is use the chicken wings for a wet, then dry dredge for then our frying. Now carefully put each wing into the wet dredge, then into the dry seasoned flour. Now you want to just do this, shake off any excess and thoroughly coat just until it's all ready. Now in this instance I'm using a wok with some vegetable oil. Now just carefully put your chicken wing laid away from you in the oil. And now we're cooking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or around 175 Celsius, just to get that nice crunchy texture. Looks more than delicious already. Check it out. Now listen to how crunchy they are. Now for this next part, we're adding 1/4 cup of one-legged chicken, and 50 grams of butter. Now we're melting the butter in the microwave or over the stovetop. Wait till it slightly cools down and then add the sauce to it. Well, that's it for another video, guys. If you liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want any more information on any of our videos, recipes, or online tutorials, please message us on Facebook, Instagram, and also down in the YouTube comments. Please hit the bell notification on our channel. And also, if you haven't liked or reviewed any of our products yet, please visit the website at www.lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic week. See you again next time.